Hello class. This week we will be focusing on infant, toddler, emotional and social development. All humans experience basic emotions: happiness, interest, surprise, fear, anger, sadness, and disgust. Emotions play powerful roles in organizing social relationships, exploration of the environment, and discovery of the self. Cognitive and motor development, caregiver infant communication, and cultural factors all affect the development and expression of emotions. Infants' emotional expressions are closely tied to their ability to interpret the emotional cues of others. As toddlers become aware of the self as a separate, unique individual, self conscious emotions, guilt, shame, embarrassment, envy, and pride appear. Toddlers also begin to use emotional self regulation strategies to manage their emotions. Rapid development of the cerebral cortex, sensitive caregiving, and growth in representation and language contribute to the developmental of effortful control, which is necessary for self regulation. Infants vary widely in temperament, including both reactivity and self regulation. Research findings have inspired a growing body of research on temperament, examining its stability, biological roots, and interaction with child rearing experiences. The goodness of fit model explains how temperament and environment can together produce favorable outcomes when child rearing practices match each child's temperament while encouraging more adaptive functioning. Attachment refers to the strong, affectionate tie we have with special people in our lives that lead us to feel pleasure when we interact with them and to be comforted by their nearness in times of stress. By the second half of the first year, infants have become attached to familiar people who have responded to their needs. By the end of the second year, children develop an enduring, affectionate tie to the caregiver that serves as an internal working model, a guide for future close relationships. Attachment security is influenced by opportunity for attachment, quality of caregiving, infant characteristics, and family circumstances. Babies form attachments to a variety of familiar people, in addition to mothers, fathers, siblings, grandparents, and professional caregivers. Mounting evidence indicates that continuity of caregiving is the crucial factor that determines whether attachment security in early life is linked to later development. Children can recover from an insecure attachment history if caregiving improves. During the first 2 years, knowledge of the self as a separate permanent identity emerges, beginning with self recognition, identification of the self as a physically unique being. Self awareness is associated with the beginnings of empathy, the ability to feel with another person. Self awareness also contributes to effortful control, the extent to which children can inhibit impulses, manage negative emotions, and behave in socially acceptable ways. Have a great week, and don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions.